Hello. Thanks for dropping in. So, today we're going to go at the desoldering operation on 4 more 2114 chips. The original experiment I did was successful. I stole one out of this machine, and now I have 2 working pets in front of me. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to try and aim this. This is hot. I'm waiting for the iron to heat up a little bit more. And it feels pretty hot already. And then I will pick it up. So this iron has a little red ball. Squeeze it when you're not over the board. Lay it on the spot. Suck out the solder. We're not hot enough, I don't believe. I'll try another. We're looking for the solder to flow. Okay, I think that might have done it. But that one, I don't think so. Okay. Kind of like it to Denisov's. We're just going to give it a couple minutes more. We will. I'm just tapping the keyboard on the 4016. The keyboard on it needs cleaning. Whereas the one over here on the 2001 series, it's okay. It's okay. So who would have thunk? It's a funny thing, you know, because now, I'm going to try again here. I have an old 2031. That did not suck well at all. I don't know what, it just didn't feel right. It just like the ball said, no, I'm not doing this. I am not pleased. That seemed to go okay. That seemed to go okay. Anyway, I have an old 2031 high-profile drive, which is very rare. It's the first disk drive my brother and I had. And it comes up and flashes that the error is in 0 page. And I'll have to look, but it's very possible. Oh, got extra stuff on there, and I'm not even sure if I'm on the right spot. The 0 page, well, it's a RAM something. It could be a 2114. I really have never investigated. I just said, oh, that sucks that it's not working, but the error codes are handy. So, of course, never touch the soldering iron. Squeeze the ball away from the board. And of course, this is a scrap board, so I will steal things from it. Because it tried to, well, it did smoke once. Oops, that was not good. Yeah, I see that extra solder. I don't like that there. Not that it really matters, but of course, in the end, when you go to take this chip out, you gotta have the chips of it, or the pins free to come out. I'm gonna give this one, now that this is hotter, I'm gonna give this one another little tweak. And I don't know if that helped at all. Well, I'm going to go down here and just kind of wiggle these a bit. board is moving. Go back there. Oh! Am I still in view here? Yes, I am. Okay. I'm not going to try and take this chip out now. I'm just trying to make sure that the pins are in the middle. So that could be one. This one is always the tough one. It's on the ground, or common, or something, where it means the heat dissipates. That one didn't feel good, but it's hard to tell. Hard to tell. I think there's one more here. I really need to get my different reading glasses where the focal length works with all this. All right, I think there is hope. I'll just try and tap these a little. Oops, I think I bent that one a little bit. All right, we'll go down this side. Good. 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 It's funny, you take your eye away for a second, you can lose your place. I just jumped one. Maybe two. All right. Time to shake out the hand, shake out the hand, shake out the hand. And then look at these. Give them maybe a little tweak. Maybe. All right. So that is 2 chips or 36 connections. Let's see here. Give that a little bit of a move. Maybe, because I don't like being frustrated by that first one, maybe I'll start down here. That did not go well. Whatever happened there, it just didn't. That's better. like it went okay. Put the soldering iron down. Shake out the hand. And have a look. Would like to get these all out. Have them, if they're working, workable. And you don't need to worry too much about the board because it's ruined. But don't want to break a pin off a chip that's good. Oh, that did not feel right. It did not at all. That felt better. It's funny, as I do more and more of these in a row, the hand, oh, there's a big glob of solder there. I'll go down to the end here. That did not feel right. The hand is getting more in need of a shakedown. All right. Back in the game. That didn't feel great, but we'll carry on for a second. I'm not sure that feels great either. Kind of messy on these ones, I'm not sure why. I just broke the cardinal rule there. I gotta squeeze away from the board. There seems to be extra solder here, and I would rather be rid of it. All right, they seem to be coming out nicely now. They seem to be. All right, so if I am correct, this would be the beginning of the fourth chip. And I can tell it, oh, this is going to be the bad one. I know it. Oh, not bad. I'm going to sit down, shake out for a moment, say, whoa. So we're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. You know, I know there are troubles sometimes with sockets. And I know, of course, they would be an added expense if they just put everything in sockets. But I sure wish they would. But, you know, when I was looking at the pet, I believe there are 68 little chips. And that is a lot of sockets. Come on. That one did not go well. I will try moving to the end here. I don't think that went terribly well either. That went well. Time to shake out the hand. Shake out the hand and have a look. All right, I have a whole other row on this chip to go. And this will be the tough one. But it seemed to have gone well. 1, 2. We're almost there. I think there's 2 more to go. 1 squeeze out away from the board. I don't think that one went well. Oh, hang on here. Maybe that's the one. No, I don't think that went well either. I wonder if they are on big buses up above. That felt better. Let's try this one again. That one felt better. Okay, shake out the hand, shake out the hand. All right, now I would like to think that every one of these will just be ready to fly out of the board. But I don't believe it. So I'm just going to go down here, try and shake the pins a bit. Oh, no, that one there. Yeah, it's on a big bus. It is not loose at all. I will try. That is disturbing, because it does look like both of these pins on both ends. So that one looks a little better now. It's hard to tell. I think I want to give this one last go. I think I do. And then maybe give it a little yank. All right. Well, I think right now I need to reconfigure and then try and see how many of these chips come out and then see what I have to do. What tweaking I have to do. So, 4 2114 chips out of a Vic-20 have been supposedly desoldered. Stay tuned. We'll see if they come out. Thanks so much for coming. Bye for now.